Hey guys, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. We're on our third day without power. So no power, no fireplace, no generator. It is freaking cold in my house. I would say 40 degrees for 3 days. It has been rough, more than you can imagine. Anyway, I'm gonna go over here to my daughter, let's see, and we'll show you some of the snow. We're just in the car trying to warm up and charge my phone because it was at 0, but you could see the snow. It's a lot of ice on the road. This is day 3. School has been canceled all week. We are expecting some more snow on Thursday night. It has been a disaster in my area. There have been like 400,000 people without power. It has been like trees down everywhere. People were stranded. They closed part of I-95. It has been a rough 3 days and we still don't have power. So I'm not sure when we're going to get it back. But I'm hoping maybe we can put this up tonight, but we may not be able to because we're not sure yet if we can. Can we?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. Anyway, as you can see, I'm going to try to show you because it's really cold and we've got the heat on in the car and we're really trying to
Mom, freezing.
It's freezing. But we wanted you to know that we're going to get back on soon once we have internet again. So just keep us in your prayers and thoughts, and we will see you hopefully soon. Bye. Okay, this is me going down the stairs. As you can see, it's pitch black. I have a light over here, a little lantern, and I'm going to open the door. I don't know if they're going to be able to find us because everything is so dark. Okay, I've got the light on it. All right, this is, somebody's got a generator, so you might see a light, okay, but our street, nobody's got a generator. I don't know if you could see, that's our next door neighbor. If you see that light way down there, see that little tiny light? That's way down at the end of the street, so there's probably a generator. But this is the street, and let's see. This is my car, which you can't see, but those people across have generators probably. But this is the snow, see? That is all the snow. There are some footsteps that somebody knocked on our door this morning, but I'm not sure why. But there you go. Hey everybody, it's snowing again. This is our second snow in a week. As you can see, there's some pretty big flakes. It's coming down. How pretty is this? Let's just hope we don't lose power. As you can see, we do have lights and we do have power. So it's supposed to snow till tomorrow morning, and it is sticking to the roads. So how pretty is that? It is pretty big. Can you see it? Oh gosh, look at it. How pretty is that?